Hello, this is an introduction to Newington High School's Follett Shelf ebook collection. We'll walk through the basics of Follett Shelf on a computer, but this same content can be accessed on a phone or tablet using an app. I've opened the NHS Destiny catalog from the desktop screen. I'm currently on the Home tab, and we'll click the Catalog tab. Before we go any further, you'll notice that I'm already logged into my Destiny account, which you'll need to be in order to check out an ebook. Your Destiny username is your school ID. Your password is your last name. Next, I'm going to open Follett Shelf with the button at the bottom of this menu on the left side of the page. From the Follett Shelf homepage, I can complete an author, title, or keyword search. Or I can select See All 477 to view all of the NHS ebooks. You are now looking at the entire list of ebooks owned by NHS. This list includes both nonfiction, some of which you've likely used for research assignments, as well as fiction titles that we've more recently added. You'll notice several sorting and filtering options here on the sides of the page. The best way to view only the fiction titles is to filter by format and then select ebook Follett. This list contains the 119 fiction ebooks that NHS currently owns. Several of these titles are classics that are included in the English curriculum, such as Romeo and Juliet, Huck Finn, or Frankenstein. The majority of this collection is popular fiction that might interest you for summer or independent reading. There are a few things to notice about how Follett Shelf works. First, you may see the word in or out in the top left corner of the book cover. This tells me that this particular title is available to a single user for a 2-week checkout, and whether the book is currently available or not. You may also notice an infinity symbol on some covers. This symbol indicates that the book can be checked out by multiple users at a time. Almost all of our nonfiction or reference titles are multi-user, as are most of the titles from the English curriculum. Once you've found an interesting title, you can either open the title, which is like previewing the book, or you can check out the title, which will place the title in your book bag in the top right corner of the screen. And once you've checked the book out, it will remain checked out to you for 2 weeks unless you decide to return it early. Let's open a book to preview. Once you have a book opened, you have several options for display, note-taking and highlighting, bookmarking, as well as additional title info, which also allows me to check the title out if I choose. When I'm done with my preview, I would click on Close in the top left corner, where I can either check out the book or just close the preview. Finally, one of the advantages of ebooks is that you can access them anywhere, anytime, not only from a computer, but also a mobile device or phone. There are 2 different apps that can be used to access the NHS Follett Shelf, the Brightwave app, as well as the Destiny Quest app. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoy the NHS ebooks. Please see Mr. Hartley or Mrs. Plord for questions or book suggestions.